Yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a great day. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can send Facebook avatar sticker on Messenger. So it's pretty simple. So follow those steps which I'm going to be showing you. Alright. So avatar is like, if you guys use Snapchat, then you guys might know what Bitmojis are, right? So that's basically what, Facebook avatars are like. It's like an animated character version of yourself. So to send it, it's pretty simple. You want to click on the person to whom you want to send it, and you want to click on this emoji looking icon over here. Click on it, and then you want to choose this from over here. After you choose this, if you already have an avatar, then it's going to be displayed over here. But if you have not made an avatar, just like me, click on make your avatar and make yourself an avatar. All right, so I'm going to make myself an avatar real quick. I'm going to click on done, but you can customize it if you guys want. So it's creating my avatar over here. After your avatar is created, click on next and click on done. Go back from here, and as you guys can see, all the avatar stickers are available over here, and I can send whichever I want, just like this. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can send your Facebook avatar stickers on Messenger. So if you guys found this video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.